How to fix voice chat not working in Counter-Strike 2. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix microphone not working in Counter-Strike 2. If your teammates can't hear you or voice chat isn't working, it's usually a setting or input device issue. Just follow these steps carefully. First, open Counter-Strike 2. Click the setting gear icon in the top left corner and go to the audio tab. Make sure master volume is turned up. Other player voices volume is turned up also. Now scroll to the voice section, set microphone mode to push to talk or open microphone. Under voice input audio device, do not leave it on default device. Instead, manually select the microphone you actually use. Headset mic or USB mic. Sometimes the game selects a webcam mic instead. You can enable Hear My Own Voice to test if the microphone is working. Stay quiet for a moment and watch the background noise bars. Now move the microphone trigger threshold slider slightly above those bars. This prevents the background noise from activating your mic and ensure it only activates when you talk. Now minimize the game, right click the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and open volume mixer. Make sure the correct input device is selected. Counter-Strike 2 volume is turned up and your volume is not muted. After doing these steps, launch the game again and your microphone should work normally. If this video helped you, do like and subscribe. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section.